Welcome to the Ultimate Laser Engraving Showdown. Today we're going to be diving into the increasingly popular world of laser cutters. Finding the right laser cutter can be a game changer for your projects and can even be a business opportunity. If you're new here, I'm Lena, and this is Lena Makes, where I share project ideas, tutorials, and products to make your crafting and creating easier. Now, if you're like me, you've likely been scouring the internet trying to research the best and perfect laser engraver for your next project. And trust me, there are a ton out there. Even if this is your first step in the research process, fear not. To help you save time and make the purchase that's right for you, we're going to be comparing two popular contenders that you've likely come across, the Glowforge Aura and the xTool M1. I want to preface this by saying this video is not sponsored by either brand. This is purely research that I've done, as I'm also in the market for a laser engraver. Now let's dig in.
First up, let's talk about the Glowforge Aura. The Glowforge brand is known for its reliability and user-friendly products and has been a top choice amongst the creator community since 2015. The Glowforge Aura launched in July of last year and was designed as the perfect machine for both newbies and pros alike, offering precision cutting and engraving capabilities. With the ability to laser engrave, cut, and score, you can create so many different types of projects. This model works with all different types of materials, including wood, acrylic, fabric, and there's a ton more. It can cut materials up to a 1/4 inch thick with the option to engrave objects up to 2 inches. This brand also offers its own line of materials called Proof Grade, which are specifically designed and tested to work for the Glowforge machine, which eliminates the question of, will this material work? They make it easy for you to purchase materials on their site. That way all you have to worry about is designing and sending it to your machine. At this point, the Glowforge Aura sounds great, but how does it stack up against its competitor, the xTool M1? Let's find out. Now, while it might not be as well known as the Glowforge, don't underestimate it. With its advanced features like the 16 megapixel camera and an open plane mode, the M1 is a force to be reckoned with. From intricate designs to larger projects, the xTool M1 laser cutter can handle a lot. Similar to the Glowforge Aura, xTool prides itself on being compatible with over 200 different types of materials, and it can also cut, engrave, and score. At its basic functionality, the xTool M1 can process materials up to 12 inches by 15 inches, and laser cut up to a 1/4 inch thickness. xTool also has a catalog of selected materials that you can purchase directly from their site, which they have also tested and know to work with their machine. And although it has many features mirroring its competitor, the M1 has found a way to go above and beyond by being the first desktop laser and blade cutting machine in the world. Wait, what? You heard right. Let's dig in a bit. So what is open plane mode exactly? The M1 has the ability to remove its base plate to process large area or thicker material items than its out-of-box standard form for projects like custom rolling pins or personalized tools. xTool also offers several add-on accessories such as its risers or rotary tool for working with tumblers. That's cool and all, but can the M1 really cut vinyl? The answer is yes. The xTool M1 has both a diode laser, just like the Glowforge, but it also has a blade cutter that can be added or removed depending on your project needs. The best part is that it's not an additional add-on that you have to purchase. The machine comes equipped with the blade cutter, making it a great tool for vinyl projects and a Cricut competitor as well. Move over, vinyl cutters. But wait, let's just recap real quick. The Glowforge Aura and the xTool M1 have similar styles and features. They both use a diode laser to cut, engrave, and score. They're both around 20 pounds and have dimensions about 20 by 20 inches. They both have LEDs inside. They both have mounted live cameras. They're both Wi-Fi compatible. I still don't know which one is better. Let's dig into some pros and cons, and maybe this will help. Glowforge Pro number 1. Since the xTool M1 is slightly taller by 4 inches, and that's not including the additional riser if you choose to add it on, that'll bring you to a whopping 14.5 inches. However, it provides ample room for materials and various size projects, but if space is a concern of yours, then going with the Glowforge Aura may make sense. Glowforge Aura Pro number 2. The Glowforge Aura's pass-through slot is unique to this engraver. This feature allows you to work with very long materials, which can save you time from having to piece together projects. This is a win for Glowforge. Glowforge Aura Con. Although both machines are Wi-Fi compatible, Glowforge Aura is the only one that actually requires Wi-Fi to use it. If you're looking to work offline or set up your laser cutter in a spotty basement, this might not be the best option for you. xTool M1 Pro 1. With the popularity of tumblers on the rise, the idea of personalizing them may have crossed your mind. In addition to tumblers, ornament engraving, glass etching, and personalizing other rounded objects would benefit from a rotary tool. And at this time, the Glowforge does not offer a rotary tool attachment, but the xTool M1 does. xTool M1 Pro number 2. This may be a laser cutter comparison, but if you ever considered purchasing a vinyl cutter, such as a Cricut or a scissor, then the xTool M1 might be the best bang for your buck. Since you'll be able to laser cut, engrave, and score, and you can cut vinyl, this machine could be the all-in-one tool that you've been looking for. xTool M1 Con. Although the xTool has additional accessories to make your crafting nearly limitless, they do require a bit of assembly. This may be a turnoff for those who just want to plug and play. This isn't true for the machine itself, but the accessories. The Glowforge Aura is built to be somewhat quote-unquote human-proof, minimizing user error, and can be appealing for some, but you won't find the option of open plane, air assist, or a rotary tool. It's not to say that the xTool accessories aren't worth the extra time to set up, but they may require a video tutorial or two. Now let's talk everybody's favorite conversation, price. The Glowforge comes in at a slightly lower price point, making it a more budget-friendly option for those just starting out. However, the xTool offers more features and capabilities for a slightly higher price. The Glowforge Aura retails for $1,099 USD, while the xTool M1 has an MSRP of $1,499. The best question to ask yourself is whether or not the additional out-of-the-box features the xTool has, such as blade cutting, are worth the $300. For some, this might be a no-brainer. However, saving the extra money for materials or a filter might steer you towards the Glowforge Aura. If you're leaning towards the xTool M1, but the price is kind of scaring you a bit, keep in mind discounts and promotional periods. xTool is often offering sales for its machines and materials. In fact, with their current spring promo going on, you can get a basic package M1 for less than $1,000, which is a steal for this tool. So if pricing is a concern of yours, I would recommend to sign up to both of their email lists. That way you can monitor and be notified of whenever they have a sale.
Whether you choose to go with the Glowforge Aura or the xTool M1, investing in either machine is going to open up endless possibilities for your future crafting. So weigh out your options and really nail down the types of projects that you intend to create. This will help you narrow down your choice. In the end, I personally chose to go with the xTool M1 because of its advanced features and versatility. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and stay tuned for my unboxing and review of the xTool M1. Thanks for watching, and go make something!